Thomas Orpham is again with you with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you, a country and western style song called Wagon Wheel, and this version is by Darius Rucker. I think it's been done by various artists, but this is based on a version by Darius Rucker. Okay, I'm in standard tuning, and you'll see I've got no capo. Okay, so I'm not playing it with a capo, but if you want to play along with Darius Rucker, then what you need to do is put a capo on the 2nd fret and play everything I'm about to show you, but with the capo on the 2nd fret, and you'll be in tune with Darius Rucker. Okay, and the reason I can't do it with the capo on is it's too high for me, basically. Okay, I'm screeching. Okay, so there we have it. So let's get to it. So a nice easy song for once, nothing complicated about this really. 4 chords in it, all open chords. G, that way or that way, whichever way you want to play it. Okay, G, D, E minor, and a straightforward C chord. And there you have it. Those are the 4 chords in the song for both the verse and the chorus. Okay, so probably the hardest bit of it is the intro. The way I've arranged it is obviously on the actual record by Darius Rucker, there's a twangy electric guitar putting a nice little riff behind it, and I've tried to feed that into the chords. Okay, so you can play that bit as well. So what I'm doing, right, so what I'm about to show you is this bit. Intro, which is also played in between the verses. Obviously I only did 1 verse and 1 chorus for the demo because there's nothing else in the song, it's just verses and choruses. Okay, they play exactly the same, different words. Okay, so the intro and the bit in between the verses and the choruses. Starting off with the G chord, basic standard G chord, that way or that way, whichever you want to do it. Start off with the bottom E string on its own and then a strum. Okay, down strum. Then what we do is which if I'm playing it like this, I lift up my 2nd finger, open up the 5th string. So the A string is now open, and we hit the A string open and hammer into the 2nd fret. So you've got. Okay, then we play the 4th string open. Okay, so you got. Play it a standard shape of G, it's use your 1st finger. I'm not used to playing it like that, but that's the same, exactly the same, different finger, that's all. Right, and then we strum a D chord. Right, so it's. Right, so. Then we do exactly the same sort of thing, but on an E minor. Play the bottom E string open, strum, again, open 5th, hammer to 2nd, and the open 4th again. So it's. Okay, so now we've got. Right, so far, and then we play the C chord, 3rd on the 5th, and a bit of a strum. So that's the 1st phrase. Okay, so G to D, E minor to C. Okay, so right, the 2nd phrase is slightly shorter because it's just G to D to C. There's no E minor the 2nd time round. So the 2nd phrase is same as was the 1st time. To the D, G to the D, and then just play the C chord, 3rd on the 5th, for 2 bars. Okay, so the whole intro, slowly. The verse. And the verse is very simple. It's G. So I have to G, head, D, and on the pines, E minor, drumming my way up to C, North Carolina, G, staring up the road, and D, pray to God I see C, headlights. Right, so G, let's do that bit again. Heading down the road, heading down south to the land of the pines, and thumbing my way up to North Carolina. Right, second half, exactly the same. Made it down the coast in D7. Oh, did I do that right? No, if I missed out a line, sorry. G, staring up the road, and D, pray to God I see C, headlights. Then the second half of the verse is the same as the first half of the verse with different words. G, made it down the coast, D, to 17 hours, E minor, picking up a bouquet of C, dogwood flowers, and G, hoping for a rally, I can D, see my baby to C. That's the same for all the verses, okay? So we'll do one intro, one word for the intro and the first verse, okay, and then I'll show you the chorus, and then you've got everything you need to play the song, okay? So here we go. Alright, verse. Head down south to the land of the pines, on my way up to North Carolina, staring up the road and pray for God I see headlights. Made it down the coast in 17 hours, picking up a bouquet of dogwood flowers, hoping to rally and see my baby tonight. Okay, got that. Then we're into the chorus, very simple again. G, so rock me rubber like a D, wagon wheel, E minor, rock me mama, any C, reindeer, G, hey, D, hey mama, C, rock me, repeat the whole thing. G, rock me mama like a D, wind and the rain, E minor, rock C, the southbound train, G, A, D, A, Mama C, rock me. The intro again. And the next verse, okay? Running from the cold of the born to be a fiddler in the old time string band, etc. You get the idea. Lovely. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Hope that you enjoyed that. Nice easy one for a change. Nothing too complicated there. Bye for now.